Ionic soil samples are highly sensitive to contamination, so careful and consistent sampling procedures are essential. First, prepare the sample bag. Write the assigned sample number on each bag. Place the corresponding sample ticket inside and seal the bag until it is ready for use. When you arrive at the sampling location, use a GPS to record the exact position. Create a new waypoint at the sampling location and name the waypoint using the assigned sample number. Clean tools must be used at every sampling site. Before collecting the sample, remove any remaining soil from the equipment and clean the tools using soil from the sampling location. This procedure must be repeated at every site to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. Collect the soil sample from a depth of 20 to 25 centimeters below the surface. Consistent sampling depth is critical. Collect approximately 100 to 150 grams of soil. Remove any large roots or rocks from the sample. Place the collected soil into the designated Ziploc bag or cable-tied bag, together with its unique sample ticket. Remove as much excess air as possible from the bag, then seal it securely. In the field, place up to 20 kilograms of samples into a woven polypropylene sack. Write the corresponding sample sequence clearly on the outside of the sack for easy identification and tracking. Sampling staff must not wear rings or jewelry, especially gold, and must not smoke during sampling operations.